children, how are you all? It's Anu ma'am again. Today we are going to learn phonetics. Do you all know what phonetics is? Phonetics is the sounds of alphabets. You've all learned alphabets last year, right? So each alphabet has a different sound. Shall we learn them today? Can you look at the letters? This is A. A says a. Apple. This is B. B says b. Bat. C says k. Cat. D says d. Dog. E says elephant. F says fish. G says gift. I says igloo. J says jam. K says kite. Shall we revise them again? I am going to turn all the sounds back. Now let me see how many of you remember the sounds. This is a, b, k, d, e, f, g, I, j and k. Now, can you show me where is k? Yes, this is k. Can you help me find j? Where is j? Yes, this is j. Can you find f? Here. Now can you guess where is b? B is here. Right. Now I know you are all very smart students. There's one letter missing among these cards. Can you tell me which letter is that? You can ask your mama to message me which letter is missing among them. Okay. Hope you enjoyed this session. Next session we'll learn more sounds.